We shot 2 different places.
Yeah. So I haven't even talked to you about
No,
it.
hold on.
Did you send her a picture?
Well, hold on.
Did you see
You
it?
had your own bed. We had our own room and everything. It was nice. It wasn't bad. Like, whenever you shot your form, it was bad. It was bad when you shot your form. Okay, but when you shot your hair back, it wasn't bad. Hey, stop! You're gonna make it lock itself, and we're not gonna be able to get out.
No. Oh, so they have it locked because this is where they keep their stuff. The people who own it, this is for them, so we can't mess with it, okay?
I don't know what anything is.
Sometimes I'm really bad about, like, I completely zone out what they're doing.
We didn't talk. I was trying to punch a button. I just didn't know what was going on.
No, I'm saying so.
I don't know. There was a portal button.
When you notice things like that, you can say something, obviously. I just feel
Hey,
like.
buddy, and try not to run. Hey, listen, come here. We're on the 3rd floor. People are underneath this. Try not to run, okay? Walk. Just walk nicely, softly.
Maybe this wasn't a good idea. I didn't realize it was on the 3rd floor.
Hey, just walk. Just walk. Like this.
Hey, look, Walker, go like this.
It's easy.
Really
It's very
soft.
easy. You don't have to flag around everything you do. Hey, yeah, that's how you should. That's a normal human being, right?
But he started out for
You got fans in the beginning.
I got some chips. No. Nothing here.
Every fucking. Alright, he's walk out.
Here there. The remote, the controls being acting kind of strange though.
Look, it doesn't bother my mother. No, he didn't say anything, but he would. They're like, hey, you're losing computer. Like,
5, 6, 7.
I'm talking about, I don't like all of my.
I don't know.
And when I go over
Boy,
to
come, go to the shower.